All right, so I decided to buy a power knob replacement for my Shimano reel for my Exsence. It's made by Gomexus. I'm not sure if this is Japanese or Chinese company. It's definitely it says it's made in China, but some people say it's a Japanese company. Nevertheless, it looks like a nice uh, well-made knob. I think it's made of aluminum. It's hard to say. It's light. It's definitely below 1 ounce. This is 38 millimeter power knob, which is a little bit bigger than my Exsence. This is 4000 Exsence CI4 4000 XGS. So it's a little bit bigger, but pretty much the same size. Um, I want to replace all my knobs for all my reels. I also have few Exsence reels. This one I want to definitely replace, but maybe with the black color. We'll see. I just bought one. I paid $15. I made an offer. After back and forth, they accept my offer, so it cost me like $16. They offer free shipping. So I want to see. The two things I don't like about my original Shimano knob, which I just replaced ball bearing, which was rusted. The one thing is you have to use a special wrench, so you will have to carry this with you if you go on the longer trips. I wish they had a just flat screwdriver or a Phillips driver nut. And the second thing is the feel of it. I think it's made of some kind of hard plastic foam, or it's definitely not rubber. So sometimes I have to wet it, so it feels better, like nicer. So I just want to replace it, and we'll see what happens if there's some problem with this knob. I would definitely make another video. I'm curious about if this will get hot because it's made of metal. I think aluminum. It might get hot. The summers are really hot. The sun is very strong, so sometimes metal can get hot. And another thing which I'm curious is this counterclockwise. So when you turn your knob, you're turning this counterclockwise, right? So you would think it might just unscrew it, but we'll see what happens. This should be like a right-handed, but I might be wrong. I don't want to really cast any judgments. We'll see what happens. So anyway, let's just remove the old knob. They say the knob comes with the little pouch. It comes with the instruction. It's pretty straightforward. For Shimano, I think you just remove the old. And oh, this is another thing which I like. It comes with the two ball bearings. So the ball bearings itself can cost you probably two ball bearings $8. So it comes with the ball bearings. It appears to be a good deal. So let's see. I don't even know which handle I have. Handle type A shaft or type S, whatever it is. So let's see. Let's just unscrew this. So you see this uses the special wrench. It's kind of ridiculous. I don't know why they did that. I wish you could just put the quarter or nickel and open it like the other knobs. So it's just a screw like this and something like that. I'm gonna remove this one. There's a screw inside. Sorry about the light. I'm using my window light, so I'll just remove this one inside. There's a Phillips. I should do better than this. Maybe I can use. All right. So we have. There should be a ball bearing here. Let's see what kind of shaft I have. So it looks like a type A shaft. All right, so with type A shaft, we don't need no washers. We're just gonna install ball bearing straight. We just move this aside because I'm gonna save these in case I don't like the knob. Okay, all organized a little bit here. All right, so you have here two ball bearings. You don't need this bushing. So there's a one ball bearing. The second one, as I said, then those ball bearings can cost you $8 on Shimano's side, or even more for a Japanese made in Japan reel like this one. Can cost you $10 per bearing, which is ridiculous. But we have 2 and 2, so I will be probably this. Let me see which one it is. Yeah, it looks like this is the screw. They have 4 screws. But anyway, just let's put. I'm assuming the oil. So we're just putting ball bearing. We have to unscrew this. It's very easy. It's a well-made knob, which I do believe this is sealed so the water wouldn't penetrate through holes. These are those holes. Just put this one here. There is. And there goes the second one on the top. Might have to play with this a little bit. See how it goes. Goes like this, am I right? Should be like that, all right? And the screw goes from the top. All right. There is. Now we have to align this. There we go. Now it's properly aligned. Now we can put the screw in. It's probably more difficult. So there's a movement in here. Shouldn't be movement. Why is there movement? Shouldn't be any movement. Right? Am I right or no? I figure it out. There's no gap. After installation, you might adjust the washers for better performance. Well, it spins nicely, freely, but there's a movement here, which I don't like. So I'm assuming we have to put some washers in there. Let's just do it again. So if this moves like this, I'm assuming, I assume too much, but let's try, let's see what happens if I put 1 or 2 washers in there. There's a couple washers, it's 4 washers. So I'm gonna try put 2 washers. There's 1. There's a 2. I think the ball bearings are pretty much the same. I mean, they have to be the same. So let's just put the ball bearing, the other one first. Okay. Okay. Let's see now. Yeah, there's no movement now. So you have to put, I had to put 2 washers. I can probably remove 1 and just go with 1. But let's see. Yeah. I could probably remove 1. So let's see. This is Shimano Exsence CI4 4000. I think it's 2017. I have 2 or 3 of those. My favorite reel for summer stripers or fluke or bluefish. I was catching stripers up to 40 inches without any problems. Great reel, very light. I think it's 250 grams. It's about 9 ounces. Below, I think, 9 ounces. So we'll see what happens. I mean, if there's any problem, I would let you know. It just looks, I think it looks really nice. Gomexus power knob. I might have to remove 1 washer. We'll see. But and I'm gonna go fishing. I fish a lot during summer months. So if there's any problem, I will definitely update this video to let you know. But for $15, I don't think you can go wrong. Looks like a nice upgrade. I think it looks beautiful. Would even look nice with my the black reel. But I'm gonna probably buy a black, full black knob for this one. And if I really like this knob, I'm gonna upgrade all my knobs. As I said, I didn't like this. Looks like a cheap knob. Doesn't feel like. I think it's like a foam or whatever it is, the hard press foam, plastic, or it's not a rubber. It's not rubber. It's just some weird material. So I think Shimano should do better than this. And this is Gomexus is definitely a nice looking upgrade. And we'll see how it feels, how it performs. and I will definitely keep you posted. And if there's a problem, I will make another video. So take care. I just want to tell you that I've been fishing New Jersey, a friend of mine in New York beaches, and it's been very slow. It's been a really bad summer so far in spring. I do surf fishing. I'm not sure. I don't see too many boats. Even fluke bite is very poor. Some short flukes. I caught only few stripers this season, and normally I will catch several a day. So I'm not sure if this is really it's worth investing in my gear, and I have so many reels and rods that but the fishing bite, it sucks now. But we'll see what happens. There's always another season. So take care. Hopefully this video will help you make a right decision. Take care. Bye bye.